Hello guys, welcome. You are actually in our apartments. We decided to start to show you with this amazing terrace here because like from the left side to you you're gonna see an amazing area where you can just chill, and actually during the day it's really warm because like the sun comes exactly like upwards, so it's actually pretty cool. Obviously an amazing view if you want. If you want, you can also have a grill here, but we don't want it. We just, order something or something like that. And I think the main stuff here is the biggest jacuzzi. Like it's for 8 people, I guess. But we are staying here with our friends, so it's just 4 of us. So it's just amazing. So if you even open it a little bit, like you can see that the see, it's hot. Yeah, so we use it nearly each evening. We enjoy the sunset. It's really cool, like seriously amazing. So if you plan to go to Riga, like guys, there's no need always to have a hotel or something like that. But actually it's not Airbnb if you think about that. It's actually a booking, so you just need to search, what you want. So yeah, let's go inside. I'm gonna show you the living room. So, we are currently in the living room. You can see the really nice area. There's a huge TV, like stereo system, all of that, like as usual. An open kitchen, we don't need more actually. Yeah, a lot of wine. We love cheese and wine. In the entrance there is a huge wardrobe which you can use for coats and all of that. But as we are always, walking around the Riga and like a tourist, we actually kind of a little bit messy, but I think it's fine. There's another small bathroom there, yeah, but we don't really use it because upstairs is something pretty cool. Yeah, let's go then upstairs and I'm gonna show you what is there. So guys, let's enter the, I don't know, like a small office here, but I think it's the more impressive stuff is actually the view as well. Like in the whole flat you can, look on the window and you're gonna see an amazing view, so it's actually pretty cool. We don't really use the space, but still, like if we need to send in emails or something like that, it's actually pretty cool. Like you can have your own space with, with no stress and all of that, so pretty cool. Then we have one of the rooms where you sleep, like bedrooms. This is my favorite. That's why I'm showing you. This is our spot. It's actually pretty cool. Like also the view, obviously you see jacuzzi, and I never actually been in a place where it's like a rounded bed. It's like, I don't know. I feel like it's a little bit uncomfortable in some way, but it's actually pretty cool for once, right? So yeah, this is actually a bathroom. I haven't actually. Yeah, it's actually pretty comfortable anyway. Also small TV, but it's, yeah, we mostly, we are mostly not in this flat, so we're not using all amazing stuff here. But what we are using is actually the next room, a spa area. Despite the fact that you actually has a jacuzzi in this, like outside, you also can enjoy a jacuzzi inside and sauna. Like the boys are just like in love with this place. We girls use mostly, outside jacuzzi because it's just like, I don't know, it feels special. And here's also like a toilet and like a small bathroom as well, like a shower. So it's actually really comfortable here. Like you won't actually believe when you see the pictures from this flat. It's actually that great. The quality is just unbelievable. It like looks like, each day someone comes and actually clean the flat. Like it's pretty cool. So yeah, this is actually kind of the whole flat, guys. We actually really enjoyed it. We got it with a really amazing deal on the booking.com. And as I said, if you're going to Riga, there is no need always get to a hotel, because we've been in the hotels, it's like, same as in the whole Europe. And it's actually pretty cool to have something like that because it's special, and it makes it special because you can stay like literally with your friends and spend evenings also. So yeah, guys, if you're in Riga, don't just go to the hotels, use something else because it's pretty cool.